Hey there, Eran Afner with AfnerWords here. Happy Mindful Monday. I'm back with another Monday mantra. Each week I channel a new mantra based on the collective energy that I'm picking up on, and I write them in first person so you can use them for yourself. If you're watching on YouTube, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you know when my videos go live. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. So I use mantras in my daily practice to help me reprogram my brain and shift my mindset, achieve goals, push past limiting beliefs, and really manifest any changes I'm trying to create in my life. So I invite you to harness the power of your word and try mantras for yourself. So this week's mantra is: I recognize my fear and accept that it's here, and I lean into the discomfort so it can begin to clear. I recognize my fear and accept that it's here, and I lean into the discomfort so it can begin to clear. I recognize my fear and accept that it's here, and I lean into the discomfort so it can begin to clear. So clearing out the fear. Fear, we all are, we all experience fear in our lives. And, the best way to deal with fear is to just go head on into it and face it, sit with it. So that's what this mantra is about, is recognizing when it's here, right? Instead of trying to maybe avoid or deny that fear is present, right? So a lot of times it can manifest and it doesn't really look like fear at face value. Fear can manifest as avoidance. It can manifest as even depression, or there's so many forms of fear. And it's important to think about what's motivating your actions. What is your underlying intent from moment to moment? Why do you do the things that you do? Is it because you're fearing something? Is it because or is it coming from a place of acceptance and love and contentment? Often we are acting out of fear unconsciously. We don't even realize that's what we're doing. So that's what this mantra is about. It's about recognizing when fear is present rather than just sort of unconsciously going about your business from day to day. But really understanding where your intent lies, right? So for me, if I know I have something to do, maybe it's been on my to-do list for many days and I'm avoiding it, and then I have to look at that and be like, why am I avoiding this thing? Is there some sort of fear involved in it? Is it some sort of self-protection mechanism? And 9 times out of 10 when I'm avoiding something, it's because of fear of a feeling. So I just encourage you to look at what your underlying intent is, but behind your actions, and invite that fear to be recognized so you can push past it. So here is that mantra one more time. I recognize my fear and accept that it's here, and I lean into the discomfort so it can begin to clear. I recognize my fear and accept that it's here, and I lean into the discomfort so it can begin to clear. So lean into the fear, right? People say ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? So when there's something, just to make it simple, when there's something like, I'm a surfer, and there's times where I'm about to drop into a big wave and it is scary. I look down the face of that thing and I'm like, holy crap, I feel fear, right? But you just got to go. You just got to do it, right? There's plenty of times where I turn back like, I can't do it. But at the end of the day, when you're really trying to make change in your life, you just got to take the plunge. So take the plunge, clear the fear, use this mantra to kind of, be present with yourself and your thoughts. So thanks for watching my mantra video this week. Again, if you're on YouTube, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you're on social media, I would invite you to leave me a comment or a like. That really helps the algorithm. And I will see you next week. Sending you love, and take care. Bye-bye.